হাই ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম টু মিশন গভর্নমেন্ট সার্ভিস। তো আমরা স্পেশালি এনটিপিসিও গ্রুপটির জন্য ইংলিশে জেনারেল সায়েন্স, যেটা বিগত পরীক্ষায় মানে রেলের বিগত পরীক্ষায় যেগুলো এসেছিল তার সমস্ত এমসিকিউ আমরা ডিসকাশন করব। কয়েকটি ভিডিও পার্টের মাধ্যমে আমরা টপিকটা শেষ করব। তো আজকে তার প্রথম পার্ট, এটা হবে ইংলিশে। এছাড়াও আমাদের বাংলা ভার্সানে চলছে অডিও জিকে, সেটাও তোমরা চ্যানেলে ভিজিট করে অবশ্যই দেখবে। আচ্ছা, তো চলো প্রথম প্রশ্ন। Function of potassium. Potassium is crucial to heart function plays a key role in skeleton and mouth muscle contraction, making it important for normal digestive and muscular functions. Glucose in the absence of oxygen breaks into in the muscles lactic acids. Anaerobic fermentation of glucose leads to the production of ethyl alcohol. What is formed in the aerobic respiration of the glucose, carbon dioxide and water? The pH value of urine is 6. Both exocrine and endocrine gland are present in stomach. Pituitary gland is also known as mustard gland. One of the most fertilizer for plant is compost. Petroleum is found in which type of rock? Sedimentary rock. Which gas is used in the case of balloons? Helium. DDT is used in the form of insecticide. The large consumption of ethanol leads to the damage of liver. The key element found in all type of acid? Hydrogen. The least chances of catching fire is in which cloths? Cotton cloths. What is mixed with gasoline to form gasohol? Ethyl alcohol. For instant energy, what is given to athletes? Glucose. Why ozone layer is important for human beings? It protects us from the ultraviolet rays. The commonly used medicine to cure typhoid is chromocytin. The hottest part of the flame of the gas is known as non-luminous zone. The pure of gold is 24 karat. Amalgam is an alloy of mercury. The temperature of his body is controlled by hypothalamus gland. Total number of bones in human body is 2006. The full form of BCG is Bacillus calmette-guerin. The disease called athlete foot is caused due to fungus. The asthma is caused due to fungus. The disease malaria is caused due to bite of mosquitoes. Mixture of 10% petrol and 90% of alcohol is gasohol. Mitochondria is known as powerhouse of cells. Which scientist has won Nobel Prize for his work on photosynthesis? Melvin Calvin. The fatigue in muscles is caused due to the formation of lactic acids in muscles. Which blood cells provide resistance to the foreign element in the body? Lymphocytes. The lifespan of red blood corpuscles is 120 days. Artificial kidney works on the principle of dialysis. The pigment responsible for black, brown or blue color of eyes is iris. Which part of the eye gets swollen due to the presence of that in eye conjunctiva? During breastfeeding, the injection of milk takes place with the help of oxytocin. Fertilization of egg generally takes place in fallopian tube. Which are the mainly false fruit? Coconut and jackfruit. The age of any tree is determined by counting the annual rings of wood growth. What is hydroponics? It is a method of growing plant without soil. Who is known as father of genetics? Gregor Mendel. The gender of any child is determined by his father chromosome. The number of chromosomes in human body is 46. The excessive of maize in foods leads to the deficiency of vitamin B1. The best way to store seeds is to keep it in cool and dry place. The smell in the urine of human is due to the presence of urea. Which fish does not have scales? Catfish. The fish does not get drowned in water because of swim bladder. The photosynthesis principle was given by Gregor Mendel by doing reaction on which plant? Pea plant. The litmus is obtained from lichen. The medicine for malaria is obtained from cinchona tree. Afim is obtained from dry latex. Pashmina goat is obtained from which breed of the goat? Changthangi. The person who consumes lot of alcohol generally dies due to disease called cirrhosis. The function of ribosome is to make protein. The plant which grow in the desert are called xerophyte. Which gas was leaked in Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984? Methyl isocyanate, MEEC. Central Research for Institute for Goat is situated at Uttar Pradesh. National Brain Research Center is at Jorbir. Cinnamon is obtained from the inner bark of several tree spices from the genus of cinnamon. The science of cultivation of flower is known as floriculture. What is studied under the branch of pedology? Land. Systema naturae is the work of Carl Linnaeus. Bacteria which is helpful in the formation of curd from milk? Lactobacillus. Foot and mouth disease are caused by virus. What is present in virus? Nucleic acid and protein. Iodine is obtained from which algae? Luminaria. The boiling point of water increases by increasing pressure. The transportation of oxygen in human body is carried by the red blood cell. Vitamins which are soluble in fat, A, D, E and K. The speed of sound is 760 miles per hour. The main ore of aluminium is bauxite. The natural wax is obtained from saliva of insect. Gas is used in the battery of car, sulfuric acid. The hormone thyroxine is produced in thyroid gland. Filament of electric bulb is made of tungsten. The nature of image formed on the retina of eyes is real and inverted. The percentage of fresh water on earth is 2.7. The purity of milk is measured by lactometer. The intensity of sound is measured in terms of decibel. Biogas is mainly composed of methane. Diabetes is caused due to the deficiency of insulin. Scurvy is disease due to deficiency of vitamin C. Solar eclipse is caused when moon comes in between sun and the earth. The pacemaker is related to heart. Diamond and graphites are the allotropes of carbon. Natural polymer is rubber. What is used in the artificial ripening of raw fruit? Acetylene gas. Soft iron is mainly used for the preparation of electromagnets. The disease which is caused due to the swelling of membrane surrounding of our brain and spinal cord is meningitis. The SI unit of weight is kilogram. Area is a scalar quantity. The largest planet of solar system is Jupiter. The study of skeletal system is osteology. The major source of protein is soybean and mushroom. Sound waves cannot travel through vacuum. The color of the face which is visible to the astronomers is black. Instrument which is used to measure the blood pressure is sphygmomanometer. Radian is a unit of angle. The disease which is caused due to the deficiency of blood, anemia. The chemical name of heavy water is deuterium oxide, DTO. The vitamin which is good for eye, vitamin A. Cobalt is found in vitamin B12. The unit of current is ampere. Dynamite is mainly composed of nitroglycerin. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of iron in the blood. Acid found in the lemon is citric acid. The major constituent of atmospheric air is nitrogen. Gasohol is obtained by mixing petrol and ethanol. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. The true allotropes of carbon are diamond and graphite. The longest bone of human body is femur bone. Total number of bones in human body is 2006. Light year is a unit of distance. Positron was discovered by Anderson. The maximum density of water is obtained at a temperature of -4 degrees centigrade. Ozone layer protects us from the UV rays. The armature of dynamo is made up of steel. If a person weighs 600 Newton on Earth, then its weight on the Moon is 1/6, 100 Newton. The relative density of gold is 19.30. The unit of solid angle is steradian. Which receives signal from the hypothalamus and convert into the endocrine glands, pituitary gland. The liquefied petroleum gas is mainly composed of butane and propane. Atmospheric layer which reflects radio waves, ionosphere. What do you mean by refraction of light? Light travels from one medium to another. The lowest frequency color in white light spectrum is red light. Universal donor blood group is O. Sphygmomanometer used to measure blood pressure. The SI unit of surface tension is Newton per meter. The inventor of dynamite is Alfred Nobel. BCG vaccination is given to immune the body against TB. Radioactivity was discovered by Henry Becquerel. Which acid does not belong to vitamin B complex? Ascorbic acids. During the daytime, plants inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. Solder is a mixture of tin and lead. Argon is a noble gas. The ozone layer is important for humans because it protects from the ultraviolet rays. Which part of the body produces blood? Bone marrow. Bats are able to see in the night because they use their sound echo to find the position of the object in their path. Which mirror is used to focus the rays coming from the sun? Concave mirror. Which crop need maximum amount of water? Maize. Which nutrient gets affected most by the food processing and its compilation? Vitamin. The intensity of earthquake is measured by seismograph. Which disease is caused due to the intake of impure water? Typhoid. The weather changes process takes place in which layer of the atmosphere? Troposphere. Dark blue object appears to be dash in the yellow light. Answer brown. How much time does sunlight takes to travel from sun to the earth? 8 minutes 20 seconds. The largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. Which disease is caused due to the excessive consumption of alcohol? Cirrhosis. Which part of the body gets affected in typhoid? Intestine. Liquefied petroleum gas mainly composed of butane and propane. Which fish has no scales? Catfish. The speed of the sound is maximum in steel. The major producer of silver in India is Rajasthan. Relative density is measured by the use of hygrometer. A source program is translated from high level language to the machine language. Which acid is produced in the stomach? Hydrochloric acid. The gas absorbed by the plant during photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. The try-hot of force and displacement is known as work done by force. If the speed of a moving object becomes double, then its kinetic energy becomes 4 times of the initial energy. SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. The weight of 1 kilogram mass is 9.8 Newton. The discovery of X-ray? Wrong turn. The breathing rate of healthy person is 16 to 18 times per minute. The X-ray cannot pass through the skeleton system. The SI unit of power of lens is diopter. The full form of DO is Dick's operating system. 1 light year is equal to the number of chromosomes in human body is 46 or 23 pairs. Light year is a unit of distance. The highest oxidizing agent in the halogen family is fluorine. The energy in edible product is expressed in terms of calorie. The ozone layer protects from the ultraviolet rays. Which is not a noble gas? Oxygen. Coulomb is the SI unit of charge. Farad is the SI unit of capacitance. Which of the following disease is caused due to bacteria? Tetanus. The universal blood donor is O. The heart rate of a healthy person per minute is 72 times. Goiter is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. Calcium carbonate is obtained from the which type of rocks? Igneous. An AC generator is mainly composed of armature, permanent magnets, slip rings and buses. The speed of sound in air is 332 meter per second. The chemical formula of bleaching powder is Ca bracket OCl bracket close Cl. Which color give more visibility to candle? Yellow. The chemical used in the matchstick industry is potassium phosphate. The electrical resistance is measured in terms of ohm. Which is used to produce chloroform? Ethylene. The chemical symbol of silver is Ag. তো আজকে আমরা আরআরবি, এনটিপিসি এবং গ্রুপ ডির জেনারেল সায়েন্সের পার্ট 1 কমপ্লিট করলাম। এবার আস্তে আস্তে পার্ট 1, পার্ট 2, পার্ট 3, পার্ট 4 ভিডিওগুলো আসবে। তোমাদের যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগে তো অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট এবং শেয়ার। এইটা বেসিক্যালি বানাচ্ছি যে তোমাদের রিভিশন পারপাসটা খুব ভালো হবে। জাস্ট পড়া হয়ে গেলে একটু রিভিশন করবে, আমার মনে হয় অনেকটা বেশি তোমরা উপকৃত হবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।